welcome to the Citabria. This is a 1969 7ECA. I think I got that right. This is our second day out in this Citabria. I've got a little bit of footage from day one for my first trip, but I haven't done anything with the channel for a long time. It's been very busy here, and I had all kinds of camera problems and battery problems, so I've got a little bit of stuff we'll kind of tag in there, but not much. Going to try a couple aerobatics in the Citabria today. Been very impressed with this airplane's short field performance, as well as its climb, especially considering it's just got 115 horse O235 Lycoming. But this is a really nice airplane. It's pretty much original 1500 hour Citabria, so very nice. Loads of room, especially I'm used to flying the biplane lots. I mean, I got my work boots on, I got my coat on, I got lots of head space and shoulder space. It's quite nice. I've got a couple of different thickness cushions, so I actually am able to sit in here with my seat parachute that I have for the biplane.
Kilo traffic, Golf Charlie Yankee uniform, turning left downwind for 09.
Which was pretty cool. I just took out one of the cushions, and it's a little awkward getting in, but my seating position's real nice, so that's kind of nice that the seat chute is going to work for me. All right, everything's set. Carbeat's cold, trim set, final control check, and off we go. My first landing in this thing was a complete abomination. I'm not used to this, the sort of sight picture, so I kind of got a half between a 3-point and a wheel landing. I was going for the wheel landing, but I had the tail too low. So there's so much forward visibility I'm just not used to. But it wheel lands very nicely as well. But I'm actually able to do some pretty reasonable 3-points in it, so that's kind of nice. We're doing 1,200, 1,100 feet a minute climb right now. Full power, 80 mile an hour climb. We got 2450 RPM being developed. And it's about -5 out, so, you know, cooler conditions, and it's a little high pressure system, so we just got over 30.3 inches on the barometric pressure, but that's circuit height. I did my initial aerobatic training in 2014 Citabria with a 160 horse O320 in it and flaps, and as I said, I've been really impressed at how well this performs with just 115 horsepower. Obviously, a light airframe, there's no GPS.
Tango Sierra reporting at ADSEN, 3001 speed. We're down over runway 09, the time to landing, 6 minutes.
You know, no extra bells and whistles. This one doesn't.
Golf Charlie Yankee uniform, simulated engine failure from the downwind for 09.
This one doesn't even have the, you know, rear heat system and ducting. And no flaps, so a few things like that certainly help keep it light. I'm also on my own with half tanks, so that obviously keeps the weight down. We just passed through 2,600 feet, so we've already done 2,000 feet of climbing.
Slant base to final 09.
So we can kind of check, I guess, the timing on the camera and see how accurate the VSI is, obviously to make sure that's recording correctly, but I mean the performance feels like it's there. It certainly does. That's 2,900 feet. And there is 3,000 feet. That's pretty impressive as far as I'm concerned. It's a pretty nice day up here. Okay, 140 miles an hour for the loop. We'll do a good area check first. I think we'll start with a loop. That seems like a good idea. Peterborough traffic, Alpha Kilo India's Citabria. We're on the south side of runway 0927 with 3,000 feet. We'll be doing aerobatics from 2,600 to 3,500 feet, south side of the runway. I made sure I removed everything from the cockpit before I put in the airplane. Well, there's a lot more diving than in the biplane. Okay, there we go. There's a roof.
Uniform, airborne, 09, staying in the circuit.
A little bit of a squeal from something there. That's funny. I'm so used to flying that biplane, I look right up over the top of me and all I'm looking at is a roof. There's nothing to see out the top. Okay, let's see if we can remember how to do a Barrel roll in one of these. 120 mile an hour for the barrel roll. Traffic's still looking good. Got my point picked off all over there. Needed to get a little more, didn't quite have my wings parallel with the horizon once I hit my 90 degrees there. Whew, not too bad. Boy, you need a freaking stronger arm than I'm used to.
Peterborough traffic, Delta Stanley here was about to exit.
Oh, that was terrible. Absolutely terrible.
A little bit of a bounce. Might need to get the wheel bearings packed in this thing.